So we've got some beautiful ladies over here. Hello. I want to show you guys what everyone's wearing. Who are you wearing today?
I made my dress.
Did you?
With hundreds of silly little flowers that I had to cut out.
You put them, wait, you
I
sewed
made
them
the
all on.
Yeah, and I made them.
Are you guys listening to this?
And then my little Roman panel at the back.
Ah, that is amazing. That's incredible. And who made your millinery?
There was Belinda Green.
Belinda Green, yes. I like these. Where are these from?
So I made these.
Wow.
With the fabrics from my hands.
Oh my god. I cannot believe you made every single flower on that.
Yeah,
that
I
would
can't
have.
believe it.
How long did it take you?
A lot longer than I thought. Like maybe like hours.
Hours.
Like weeks. So literally
Weeks. Oh
and
jeez.
I think I had enough flowers in there.
You didn't have enough. Is that why you've got a woven spot on the back, not enough flowers?
Well, actually, there was a purpose for that. I was like, if I made this too fitted, then I wouldn't be able to.
Yes, yes.
So I helped supporting, but I just thought it would give it a wee bit of texture.
Yeah, yeah.
It would be fun, and I wanted to add some texture to the black and white.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I love it. So much detail. And what's your bag? I'll have to come around after and take photos because I'm not alive right now. Hello? Who are you wearing? Self-portrait. Beautiful. I love your hat with it. Who's that by? Of course. Can I see your hair? That's lovely. Yeah. Who are we wearing? June's husband?
Lucid monkey.
What?
Lucid monkey.
Lucid monkey. Can't go wrong with that. It's a very stylish suit. I love it.
Supposed to be.
Did June dress you or did you dress yourself?
And a beard to go with it.
Got the accessory of the year for men, the beard. June, who are you wearing? I just pop up out of nowhere. I love this. This is stunning. Yes. Yep. Yes, custom made from Spain. Look at that detail, you guys. Is that pom-poms on the back?
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. I love the bow. That's a really nice touch. Actually, I was going to get these earrings. Very good. Alright, I'm going to move along. Okay. Hey, ladies. Actually, I'm going to go stand on this side so I can see better. Oh, the lighting's way better here. Alright, I need to know who everyone is wearing. Who are you wearing? This is not a trick question. Overseas online. Are they pants? Stunning! Wow. Who made your hat? Who did? Who made it? Sorry? Oh, you did. Amazing. Wow. Can I see the bag? Oh, wow. I like what you've done with the... Don't look too close. It looks beautiful. I love pants. And who are you wearing?
Myself.
Yes.
And myself.
I recognize this outfit. Yeah. And you've changed your hair, have you?
Changed my hair.
No, you haven't changed your hair, have you? Is it lighter?
It's darker.
It's oh.
Yeah. I didn't want it darker, but it came darker the other day when I went to the like, why is it brown?
It's like sort of grey as well. I like grey. I'm into grey. Who are you wearing?
What am I wearing? This is threaded new and like a re-stitched top.
A re-stitched top. Oh wow. And I need to see the back as well. Oh, Irene Moore.
Maria Wright. There was a combo.
Oh. Perfect. I'll have to come over later and get all the photos. Hello, who are you wearing?
I'm wearing a Mossman jumpsuit and a Monica.
Oh. Monica.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, I was like, is that who? Hello. How cool is your hat? Beautiful. We're going to have some fun today. Monica is so much fun to hang out with at the races. I learnt this last year at the Brisbane Racing Club.
as long as my feet don't hurt too much.
Yeah, did you bring spare shoes?
Yeah.
Did you bring any spares?
I got my ice spray with me.
Oh yeah. I saw Elizabeth before and I was like, what are you wearing? She was in her like black jeans and like a cap and I was thinking, good, I'm really good. Sorry, I'm just doing the live at the moment, so.
That's my girl.
Oh, hello.
Milano, this is Milano.
Nice to meet you. I love your outfit.
I've followed her into coming along.
That's beautiful. Did you? Where's this from?
I was made by our neighbour.
What? How stunning is the cut of it? Your body is beautiful. I want this dress. How do I get one?
Well, we can talk about it.
Monica's neighbour, I need this dress. This is amazing.
Somebody said when she wore it, she said, "Is it by Johnny?" I said, "No, it's by Ray."
It looks like it could be by Johnny, but I think the fit is amazing on you.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm going to leave these here for a second so I can go do the rounds. Yeah. Hello. Sir, hello. Actually, the lighting's not good here. I'm going to come around this side. Alright, who are we wearing?
I am wearing
Yourself.
basically it.
Yes, yourself.
Fine, and I've edited all of this and done all this myself.
That's beautiful.
Painted belt.
Oh, you painted your
It
belt?
was black yesterday.
It was like, oh wow, you did a what did you use to paint it?
I painted it white and then I nail polished
Nail
red by hand.
Oh, perfect. Worth every minute. Exactly. Alright, so this is what, hello, this is what, how are we both today? I'll show you guys what the enclosure looks like before I have to go somewhere else. I don't know what that is, but that looks cool. How cool is this place? I'm gonna get a cocktail in a minute. Alrighty. Well, this is everyone that's here at the moment. I'm not sure if you guys have commented that you want to see anything. If you guys want me to show you anything else before I sign off quickly, let me know. You got 5 seconds. 4. And then it's cocktail time. 3. You may never see me again after cocktail time. Ooh, wait, I got a few more outfits to shoot. Look who I found! Hey! Oh, wow.
I love what you've done with this.
Hello.
I love what you've done with that pink. Just a splash. Really
Oh, in the back?
I love it.
Thank you. Wait, I gotta... No, it was already on there. I just cut the front off. Wait, we gotta show you... Yeah. Who are you wearing today?
ASOS and 2 into 1.
This is beautiful.
And I've got the whole caftan thing here.
And who's your millinery by? Oh, yeah. That'll be me later. No, you look stunning and I like earrings, everything. Monica hat. Oh,
How cute
can't
is
go
that?
wrong with Kate Spade. Beautiful. Now I've got to get your lovely daughter in a second. Oh, she's busy. Anyway, I'm going to disrupt her little photo taking so I can get the photo of her. It's good. It's such good weather here. I heard it was going to be cold in New Zealand. You guys have a look. It's bloody...
No, it's actually quite
changes
warm
daily.
here.
Yeah, it's so nice here.
The worry I had this morning was, oh, it's windy. Big cats are gonna fly.
Yeah, well, actually, this is so cool. Okay, I'm going to sign off, you guys. I love
We
it.
should go to the races.
Yeah. You guys, I'm going to sign off so I can take photos and get... Sorry, I'm in a live. And I can get photos and cocktails. So, I will talk to you guys